Hello everyone, hope you're having a magical day today. I bet you can't guess where we're at today. We are at Blue Bell Ice Cream, so Blue Bell Creamery factory in Brenham, Texas. We're gonna go check it out. I've been here long time ago when I was in Boy Scouts. I don't remember it at all. That was over 20 years ago. So let's go in and check it out. Where the flowers are is the ice cream parlor and country store. We'll visit that in a minute, but we're gonna go on to the visitor center over here. This is an authentic doctor's buggy that dates back to the 1920s. The character Miss Annie used this carriage in our tour film Blue Bell, Then and Now. Wow. So doctor's buggy. Look at the ice cream. So you have the Brenham, Texas Visitor's Guide, and you have Blue Bell Creamery. I love how they did that. Kind of like a Christmas tree. You can get a hat. Sorry about all the noise, there's a lot of kids here. It is spring break, but all this is free. So in 1907, local investors established the Brenham Creamery Company to make butter using excess cream from area farmers. Then we go into 1911, the Brenham Creamery Company added ice cream to its product line, hand cranking only 2 gallons per day. Blue Bell's earliest existing butter wrapper dates from the 1930s.
And then like during World War II, it's just here, they focused on making butter again for the troops. Picture? That's a picture of them making ice cream sandwiches. Oh look.
1930s. During World War II, Blue Bell focused on producing butter for our troops. Well, that was cool. In the summer of 1941, E.F. Cruz, sons at 13 and Howard 11 began their careers at Blue Bell making ice cream sandwiches. They are portrayed here by actors in the film Blue Bell Remembers. In the 1940s, pre-packaged cartons of Blue Bell ice cream could be purchased in the grocery store and in stores stored in freezer sections of modern home refrigerators. So it took till the 1940s before it came in stores. Here's the 1950s, 1960s. The homemade vanilla was introduced in 1969. Here's the 1970s. With little creamery building at the seams, Blue Bell completed the additional Brenham plant in 1972. Blue Bell ice cream became available in Austin in 1965 and in Dallas in 1978, but Waco, halfway between the two cities, had to wait until 1980 to have Blue Bell products in its grocery stores. Wow, that's weird. So we're in the 1980s now. And now the 1990s. In 1989, Melvin Zingenbing supervised the opening of Blue Bell's first out-of-Texas sales branch in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Blue Bell joined the cyberspace community at the launching of its website in 1998, bluebell.com. And I'll link that in the description below. A popular flavor, Blue Bell Millennium Crunch ice cream ushered in the new millennium. So the 20th century is where we're at now. 100 years from 1907 to 2007. You have a little photo op here with cows. You can be inside the barn and take your picture with the cows. Let's go this way. How we make ice cream. Blue Bell ice cream begins with only the freshest and finest ingredients like milk from Texas cows. The fresh whole milk is sent directly from the dairy farms to the little creamery in Brenham. The milk is tested thoroughly before unloading to ensure quality and flavor. Way up there. The basic ice cream mix is blended together just like the process used when making homemade ice cream. The max is pastured at a high temperature to ensure quality. The homogeneizer uses high pressure to make the mix smooth and creamy. And I'm not going to read any more. Y'all can read the rest of them. So if you like this, you should come and visit it. Again, this is all free. Just walk in.
Peanut butter and jelly ice cream? Okay. I have the cap. I can find that cap in my car.
So these are, well, that's a clock. For a long time, creamery workers documented their time at work with the punch clock made by Simplex Timer Recorder Company. The clock used rubber bands, thumb switches, and brass gears to keep consistent records of employees' hours. Wow. And you can sit here and watch all these videos. This one is about delivery. So, here's the key to the map. The breads facility, production plant, and snack plants. So you have Florida. You have, this is really neat. It's really just the north and the northwest that does not have Blue Bell. So if you're in the US, so if you're watching this and you don't have Blue Bell near you, I apologize. It is the best ice cream ever, and you should come somewhere to get it, because it is really, really good. So now we're gonna go into the observation deck, ice cream parlor, country store, baseball museum, and they have restrooms inside too. So I guess it's everything that every time they sponsor a baseball game or stuff like that, because I know they do for the Texas Rangers. Maybe this is their baseball team? I don't know. Look at all these ice creams. This is for display only. They're not real. And again, this is where Blue Bell is. Blue Bell territories. So you want ice cream? Here's where you sit and have your ice cream. It's $1 a scoop. You can get triple chocolate as of date of recording. Triple chocolate cookie dough overload. Buttered pecan crazy cookie dough. Millennium crunch, rainbow sherbet, coconut, rocky road, no sugar added country vanilla, mocha almond fudge, southern blueberry cobbler, mint chocolate chip, cookies and cream, cotton candy, milk and cookies, and homemade vanilla. Yum. We're going to come back and have our ice cream in a little bit, but I will definitely have some ice cream. So here is their store. It is very crowded in here, as you can imagine, with it being spring break. It's in the middle of the week. You can get baby clothes. Oh no, we have burnt orange, can't have that. Oh, that's bad. Oh, but look, this is awesome. See? Eggy. So if you don't know, my sister's is UT. My dad and me are A&M fans. So it's a kind of a inside joke between us. I'm sorry, I'm not doing prices. It's really crazy in here, so we're gonna go look at the observation deck now. So I just went through the observation area. There is no videos or photos in that area, so unfortunately I can't tell you what it's, or I can tell you what it's like, but I can't show you. It is really neat just to see the production of it. You're upstairs and you're looking down. It's a two-story and you're looking down basically. So, but you do get to see them packing like the miniature, the ones that is not even pint size, it's the really little ones. You get to see them packing those with the ice cream, and you get to see how all that is done. So it's really neat, but unfortunately, again, I can't take photos or videos back there. So let's go get our ice cream now. So down on the observation area, you even got to see those buckets there towering down, coming down to be loaded with ice cream. So that was even cool doing that. And I'm in line to get my ice cream. So let's wait. So I got my 2 scoops of ice cream. These are, they say $1 per scoop. This is a scoop, and this is a scoop. I wasn't expecting that much ice cream. So let's dig in before it melts. So there's not much seating up here. That's the bad part. I mean, there's a lot, but with as many people it is. So I even hope you can even hear this. Oh, let me put on my hat. There you go. Now I'm official. See? Alright, so this is a crazy cookie dough. Never had it before. Tastes like cake batter. Have you ever just tasted this cake batter mixture, not actually baked? That's what it tastes like. Let me get another bite. Because that one has the cookie dough. It's good. Never had this one. Wanted to try it. It just came out. I think last week. And this is the. So let's take a bite. I like the peanut butter in it too. That's good. Again, I like both of them. I would definitely eat both of them again. With that, I give it a 2 thumbs up. 1 for each. So that was my day at Blue Bell Ice Cream Creamery in Brenham, Texas. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a magical day.